Hi friends, let's learn with Kidzy.
Today we will learn about materials. Let's get started. Hi friends. There are many objects made up of different materials that we use every day. Let's take a look. Wood. Below are the objects made up of wood. Table, chair, pencil, boat. Metal. Below are the objects made up of metal. Spoon, fork, knife, key. Plastic. Below are the objects made up of plastic. Straw, bottle, bucket, plastic bag. Rock. Below are the objects made up of rock. Chalk, kitchen work tabletop, and wall. Fabric. Below are the objects made up of fabric. T-shirt, scarf, towel, gloves. Rubber. Below are the objects made up of rubber. Eraser, balloons, rubber band, tire. Glass. Below are the objects made up of glass. Mirror, bulb, sunglasses, window. Leather. Below are the objects made up of leather. Belt, bag, shoes, wallet. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something new from this video. If yes, please like and subscribe to my channel.